So let me know what you think of the colour scheme in this room. It's green with lots of wooden furniture. I think it looks pretty cool and quite premium. On the side table we have a travel adapter built into the wall. We've also got USB and USB-C ports, and also the lights can be controlled here from the side as well. We've got a nice LG TV here with USB ports underneath. We also have some furniture here like some chairs, a small coffee table, and there's a desk which can be used. Over here is the minibar area, and they have snacks here like pretzels and chocolate, and they even have their own merchandise here which you can purchase. They have a kettle here, they've given a coffee machine, and they also have all these teas presented in this nice drawer. Over here is the minibar which has drinks which you do need to pay for. And in the wardrobes, on one side there is a safe with some drawers, and on the other side is where you can hang your clothes. The bathroom is pretty nice. There's a toilet with a bidet, and this is the shower area. Now let's go and check out the balcony. There is a table and 2 chairs. It is quite spacious, it's a very spacious balcony, but you can also see onto the neighbouring balcony. And here is a view of the pool. And you can also see the beach there in the background, and there's views of the palm as well.